2012 Ford F-150 Supercrew, silver in color, XLT package, chrome wheels with the Michelin tires, chrome rails on the bottom. Okay, this truck is in really good shape. 21 on the highway, up to 25 miles per gallon, I'm telling you. Good safety ratings as well, as you can see. Discount sticker right here. At Ravenel Ford, they show you the manufacturer suggested retail, the $98 over factory invoice. Any rebates they have, sale price $32,689, and $1,000 you can save if you finance with Ford credit. How about that? Can't beat it. Ravenel Ford, they call it no nonsense car buying. That's right, it's easy to do business out here. Come on out and see us. We're only 15 minutes south down Savannah Highway. If you're in the market for a Ford F-150, we have plenty of them to pick from. Okay, whatever kind of color you want, we have it. Tinted windows, let's look at the interior. Cruise control, audio functions. CD player, okay? Satellite radio if you want to hook it up, and it has Microsoft Sync, auxiliary and USB hookups. Trailer brake, okay? Just what you need. Again, it's a 4-door. Plenty of room as well. Look at all that leg room in the back. Really good space. Come on out and see us at Ravenel Ford. Again, it's easy to do business out here. They call it no nonsense car buying. Only 15 minutes south down Savannah Highway past the Citadel Mall. We'll talk to you soon.